Hello, good morning. My name is Agatha Teresa Pranyananyan with my ID number 2007051007. So today in this video, I'm going to try to explain about forensic linguistics in the term of sociolinguistic. So let us start with forensic linguistics. Forensic linguistics is a branch of linguistics. Forensic linguistics is a combination of two knowledge disciplines, that is, linguistic and forensic. So everybody already know that linguistic is about language and forensic is about law and crime. Forensic linguistics can be defined as the application of linguistic knowledge, method, insight to the forensic context of law, a language, crime investigation, trial, and judicial procedure. It is very useful in legal proceeding, including voice identification, the interpretation of police suspect in interaction, verification of police report, and cross-cultural insight into speech pattern. So what can the forensic linguist do? So the duty of forensic linguistics are in any case of forensic investigation. It is to see what might not be evident to the naked eye. Linguistics understand the significant context in the search for meaning in a conversation and are unwilling to agree with interpretation range, forms, context by either the production or the events. So forensic linguistics is relatively a new subfield within applied linguistics that study the different interaction between language and the legal field, which is heavily linguistic by nature. A summary of some of the most well-known and discussed legal case and outlines the interaction between applied linguistics. It is mainly about pragmatic, discourse analysis, and sociolinguistics. And this emerging field in three interrelated areas. The first one, language as the medium of communication between the law enforcement, authorized and suspect like witness, or it can be as the medium legal argument in the courtroom. And the second one is language of the law. It is including issue of intelligibility and interpretation and construction of legal language. The third one is crime of language and linguistic evidence. It is about use, validity, and reliability in the courtroom. Okay, so let us move to sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is derived from two words, language and society. Society means any group of people who live together in a certain area with a certain purpose. Meanwhile, language is a tool. It means that the language is used in the society to communicate with each other. And now let us think about this. Communicate might be the key of investigation. So in sociolinguistic investigation, which is an analysis of the language phenomena in society based on the theory of sociolinguistics, there are some aspects that should be considered. Those aspects are forms, meaning, and also context which cause variation in language. Let us imagine in a case, there is an investigation and the witness heard the criminals, or there's a proof, there's an evidence, a written letter left behind. By using the term of forensic linguistics, we can lessen our suspect by dividing their social. In here, from your written letter, from the choosing of the grammatical, from the pattern of the sentence, we can see this person came from which level of society. If it's the high level, we can lessen our suspect. We just search on the high level. So sociolinguistics is very helpful in here. And then now remembering language are very specific and individual for a person. this also might help to reveal the person. For form means the study of formation system in language. So there are three, right? A form, meaning, and context. So form means the study of formation system in a language, such as in a letter, there's phonology, morphology, like words, also syntax, like sentence, and grammar. While meaning means the study of relationship between signifiers, like words, phrase, sign, symbol, and a reference or denotation, like semantic. However, understanding both forms and meaning is not enough. It is never be enough. We have to consider the context, because the use of an expression is depending on the context, such as who speak, to whom, when, and where it expressed. Discussing about forms, meaning, and context, sometimes one form has many meanings and one meaning has many forms based on the context. So in conclusion, linguistics understand the significance of context in the search for meaning in a conversation and are unwilling to agree with interpretation range from context by either the prosecution or the defense. Just as physicians are trained to see things in an X-ray that the average person with excellent vision cannot see. So linguistics are trained to see and hear a structure that are visible to layperson. The use of language in society is influenced by linguistic factors. So, thus, to investigate the difference of language use in society, we have to consider forms, meanings, and also context. And the term of forensic linguistics is very helpful in here and can help investigate many things. Thank you so much. I think this is the end of my explanation. Thank you for listening. Hope you like my video. Hope it helped you too. Thank you very much.